Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on the day. Today I there, you know. And as I look at my little vintage radio, yes man, my little vintage radio, it took me down a memory lane. How much I remember them your radio back in the day? Yes man, me remember my granny used to always have a two battery them what she put in here so in her back her radio. And I tell you something, this a radio yeah, we use it, we hear any little thing, news, anything we come on radio, all Dulcimena, for my sister used to listen to this. And I remember on Friday night time, all my brother them used to want to listen to Top 10. And how much I remember when people would listen to Top 10 on Friday night, it count down of the Top 10 reggae song them. Yes, me remember come used to see my brother them, I did the acclaim for my granny radio to listen to it. But make I tell you something, them are real memories, you know. Me want to know if you drop a line below, man, and tell me if you remember them your radio you back in idea. This a vintage, you know. Me I remember some man in a district who would walk with them like a radio and them a go bush and them this with them like a radio up on their shoulder and them a listen them tunes, man. And me know say someone who no reach out to me, who no bright and face their out order and I ask if Mama Selva radio still a work. I wanna think. Time there no gonna away, make me show no say my radio a work.
The 7.59%. For 60 months, $3,500 down. OEC taxes extra. Dealer trade may be necessary. See HondaOntario.com.
See there? My radio have worked just fine. I don't know nobody ask me if me I sell it. It is not for sale. Have a beautiful morning, afternoon or evening. Any which part of the world on a day. As always, Mama Selva.